Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Cybertruck and the new package that Tesla has included for the Cybertrucks. And they now call it the Luxe Package with FSD Supervisor and much more. So they introduced this, I think, with the Model S and X, and now they jump into the Cybertruck as well too. So let's see, if we were to order one today, let's actually go through it and see what does it come with and what is the price. So far, you can see right here, $7,500 federal tax credit, ending limited inventory, and you get a 2.49% or 0 APR financing with FSD supervised for a limited time. So if you're already thinking about getting FSD, this would be perfect time to get it, right? So here we go to the financing part. Everything, the cyberbeast is here. Alright. 2.49%, 5% down, edit financing, get qualified. So let's see what the total price will come out to be. So if $5,000 down for 60 months, this is a promotional credit, so your APR is 2.49, right? And $5,000 due at signing. Your payment is about close to $2,000. That's extremely high. Well, let's explore more. And what's included with the Cyberbeast? You get includes all the wheel drive upgrades, tri-motor all wheel, performance launch mode, top speed 128, rear torque, all this goodies. And this is the Luxe Package. So what's included in the Luxe Package? A full self driving. Your car will be able to drive itself almost anywhere with minimal driver's intervention. 4 years premium service, wheel and tires protection, windshield protections, and recommended maintenance. Right, so windshield is really good, tires good. Supercharging, charged for free at 70,000 plus supercharger worldwide. And premium connectivities here, listen to music, all that stuff. Check out the terms. So this is going to give you a little bit more details on this one right here. So full self-driving supervisor required active supervision and does not make your vehicle autonomous. Features available to you may vary depending on your vehicle configuration, hardware, software, version, regions, model, vehicle trim, and model year. And 4-year premium service, supercharging, all that we just went over, right? And let's see if and this one's included tier 2 premium bed package, motorized hardtop. Towing is included, 20-inch wheels included, and it's included with taco grade decor. Full self-driving is included, charging, all that goodies, right? But the charger you have to buy separately. And if you want to get the PowerShare bundle, you can click on it. And we go all the way down to the very bottom. Look at the pricing wise. For the Cyberbeast, $114,000, $990, right? This is the tire size included, tow package, all this included here. Destination fees, order fees, come out to be $117,235. Monthly payment looking at about $1,900, almost $2,000. That's a lot for a car. So I don't know. For those of you out there who has the money and who likes to go all out and get the best of the best, I think this is the best of the best. You get the beast and you get the Luxe Package. And if you're going to keep the vehicle for long, you know what I mean, you can charge and utilize the supercharger. And this has capable of, if you have like a power outage, you can use the Cybertruck to power your house, right? So in a way, this is really nice, right? That's pretty much it for this video, guys. So if you like the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and don't forget to use my referral code, first comes, I don't know if there's any incentive now. If you are getting the Luxe Package, there's pretty much no incentive. But if you don't, then you get a 3 full months of full self-driving. But other than that, thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.